Hey YouTube family, welcome to another studio vlog. Welcome to another studio vlog. I am Nardia. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are not, thank you so much for sticking around all this time. Hold on because there's noise in the background. Hold on. Hey, I am back. So if you guys are watching this on a Sunday, hey, I have a lot of things to get done today. I definitely want to organize, restock, and make some new things for the shop. New in the shop, we have some new items. This is the rose gold paper clip that's just jazzed up. And we also have the gold paper clip that is jazzed up. So both of those are new and in the Etsy shop. And in my previous video, I showed you guys how I made them. So if you're interested in how I make them, you can definitely check that video out. It was a sped up version of me making them, like a fast motion one, but it's very simple to understand how they were made. But the shop is growing. I am so happy. The shop is growing little by little, and every week, you guys, every week I try to add something new to the shop, like every week, because I have so many different ideas and I can't produce the things as much as my brain is creating them. So every week I usually add something new to the shop. So if you're not already, you can definitely click the link in my description. Follow the Etsy shop, just like it, heart it. Even if you don't purchase something right now, just like it so that you can keep up to date on when new things are. Just check it out every so often to see when new things are in the shop. Or you can just follow my email list, my creative email list. I send emails once in a while, not often, just maybe once or twice a month, with just different coupon codes, updates, checking in on y'all to see how y'all doing, little things like that. So let's get started with today. Today the first thing on the menu is, well, not menu, first thing on the list is to take care of our babies. My babies need to be watered. I need to water all of the babies. Everyone needs to get watered all around town. So down here and upstairs, my entire house, all the plants in the house need to get watered. So let me water my plants now. Gratitude. That is all I can say right now, is just simple gratitude. Like, you guys don't know. I didn't know. Like, I dreamt big. But I'm just so amazed and I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. I just got an order for a lot of stickers. The Kwanzaa, I have other stickers in my shop. You guys want to check it out. But the Kwanzaa stickers are my biggest sellers, my best sellers, and those I'm getting orders quite frequently. But just now someone ordered $80. $80 worth of stickers. $80 worth of Kwanzaa stickers. Just the one sticker, they want a lot of it. And I am so thankful. And if you're watching this, if you saw it from my YouTube video, or if you're from Instagram, or if you just searched me on Etsy and you're never going to see this, but if you are going to see this, thank you. Because my little dream of just producing Kwanzaa stickers that were just quality and just uplifting the spirit of Kwanzaa and just showcasing just the love for Black culture. It shows me that it was worth it, and the long nights and hours that I took to do it, it was worth it. So I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. I am thankful. At first I thought it was a mistake. I'm like, there's no way. $80, $80 worth of stickers. I'm thankful. Thankful. So those stickers are going fast and they are selling. So now I have to restock. I think that person probably sold me out. So yes, you guys, I just checked. I just sold out. I sold out of my Kwanzaa stickers, sold out. But it's not like a physical product. It is a physical product, but I can easily recreate it. So I'm just gonna renew the listing. But I officially sold out. I listed, I think, I sold out all the listings I listed on my Etsy shop. This is freaking amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. Thank you. I feel like I want to cry, but I'm not going to. Thank you. I just had to have a talk with the cricket, like a real look me in my eye kind of talk with the cricket, because it was trying to play me just now. I have my big order that I'm gagging over, and I start printing the sticker sheets because, you know, it was so many stickers I had to re-up, and it's not printing correctly. I mean, well, lies. It's not the printing. The printer is fine. The Cricut was not cutting correctly. You guys can't see it, but this is where it needs to cut. Homeboy, look, see? It was cutting right here. It was cutting the stickers in half again. No. Not today, Cricut. Not today. Not with this order. Look at that. Not with this order. You better. Not today. They better, if it knows what's good for him or her. Her name is Pixie Joy. Pixie Joy is her name. If she knows what's good for her, she better do what she do, or else I don't know. Or else. So the next thing is I have orders for these just recently listed on the Etsy shop, but they're there. I have low quantities of these. I didn't make that many, but anyway, someone ordered. Kimberly, thank you for your order. Ordered 2 of these, and I didn't think through the entire process of how to package it and ship it out, and I'm like, man. So I'm just working on some ideas real quick. So these are my thank you cards. It comes like this, but if I put a slit in it and I cut it, then I can put the paper clips on it like that, right? Cute. I like that. And then of course wrap it up in tissue paper and all of that stuff. Let's see. This is just a test. This is just a test. This is not how I really package. I'm just testing to see. Alright, tissue paper. And then the thing is that this box is flat. So it fits. I'm just scared that, I don't know. Maybe if I find some bubble wrap and I'll put it in there with it. I'm just scared that somehow it will be smushed. Or the pearls right here, I'm scared that they will be broken somehow. But we're working on this. Let's figure out how we're going to ship these out. What I would really like to have for them are the gift boxes. That's what I really need to get. So I might work on getting gift boxes, but for now, I like to ship my orders out as soon as I get them, within a day or less, sometimes the same day. So we're just gonna have to put it in here for now until I get the boxes. So Kimberly, thank you so much for your order. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And I'm going to make sure this package reaches to you the best of my ability in the best condition. So let's figure it out. I have absolutely no idea what is going on. It's like the universe is for me, and then it's like not today. It keeps, this is the second set of paper that the Cricut is cut it incorrectly. It's cutting these stickers in half again. So I just had to throw this away. This is garbage. See, let me show you. It's garbage. I can't even, this is garbage. So garbage, this is the, and then look, I just printed this. Now the printer is acting up. Where's the rest of my printer? Where's the rest of my stuff? It didn't even make it to the Cricut yet. Where's the rest of my stuff? Not tonight. Not tonight. Not when I've had one of the biggest orders I've ever had in my life, and I'm thankful. Well, I just started the shop, but you know, this means a lot to me, and it has to be right. Not tonight. Please, please. Not tonight. This is just the last sheet that I need to print, and then I'll give them a rest. Maybe they're tired, I understand that. But I will let them rest after this last sheet. Please. Not tonight. Just print, 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 and cut properly. This is wasting ink, and it's wasting good quality sticker paper, and it's getting on my nerves. Garbage, all garbage. And also, this is the washi tape that I use, and I'm running out. This is it. I'm done. Oh Lord, I am done. And I ordered more, but it hasn't arrived yet. It's on its way. So this is just my personal washi that I'm gonna just figure out which one can go with the color scheme, because I want to keep it like pink and gold. So maybe this one here, like, and you saw me use it recently in the last package. The last package I just did for Kimberly. But we're gonna make it work. It's the funny way how things work, but I'm resilient. And I'm going to make it work. So all the stickers are printed. I just like to check them to make sure that they are all perfect, no defects. And then I round the corners. And I make sure they are also nice and clean. Corners are rounded, nice and clean. Hey, YouTube family. Good morning. Today is Saturday, the 12th of December. Oh, I'm just feeling good. Feeling good because I have to feel good, you know? So much has happened with the business. I'm so thankful. And I will always tell you guys this. Thank you for your support and your orders. I've been sending out orders. Some days it's slow, like yesterday. There were no orders. But it's okay. I'm still just starting. And I don't want anyone watching this for me to come on here and be like, oh my gosh, I have orders every day. I have multiple orders every day. I don't want to give you a false sense of hope. It is possible, of course, that you can get orders every day. Blow up on your first day. But I want to set a realistic view of how my launch is going, how my business is going. But still, it's a great day. It's going. And that's the important part, that it's going, that I did it and that I challenged myself and that it's going. That's all that matters, that it's going. That it hasn't stopped, but that it's going. So I think yesterday was the only day I didn't have a sale. So that is amazing. My goal for myself is just to have just one sale a day. It doesn't matter the amount. It doesn't matter what the person buys, just one sale a day. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But that's the goal I set for myself. But anyway, there are new things in the shop. I'm constantly having ideas. I'm constantly creating new things. And that's a problem that I have. And I don't want to call it a problem because it's not a problem. But I'm the type of person where I'm multi-creative. I can't and I refuse to just do one thing. That's what I've always been my whole entire life. I've always done multiple things and I've just always found joy in that. It started with the stickers, and the stickers I still work on. Some days I work on stickers, and now we have the charms, which we have the paperclip charms, look like these. So they're paper clips, but you know, bling them out with some cute charms, and these will be added to the shop really soon. I have a few of them. And we have the flower charm that you guys saw me make in a previous video. I don't want to stop. Next, I have plans to make books and journals and planners. And it just goes on. And I refuse to stop because my brain doesn't stop. My creativity doesn't stop. And I've learned I refuse to not act on my ideas. I refuse. There were so many times when I worked, you know, in corporate where I had all these ideas but didn't have the time to do it, but I still tried to do it. But now I have exponential time. And even though I say I have exponential time, I think about it like I don't have the time. Like I just live for today because I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. So I work on my ideas today. I refuse to say tomorrow I'm gonna do this, tomorrow I'm gonna do this. It's today, everything is today. Whatever I don't do today, I feel good because I know I did all that I could have done today. Does that make sense? I'm just jabbing. But anyway, yes, people always tell me, you do so much, you don't focus on one thing. I focus on just being creative. And I focused on banking. I was in that for over 18 years. So kudos to me, that was my career for 18 years. But apart from that, I always did other creative things on the side. But now creativity is just full time. Okay, so today is Saturday. Today I just want to finish creating some charms. Edit this vlog for you guys to see it tomorrow on Sunday. And continue to create and make. At some point I want to do some hair videos because you guys have been asking. I just don't know what to make, but I'm just trying to finish out the year just to finish creating the things that I need to create for the Etsy shop. So those will come, and then I'm working out a schedule for 2021 so that my channel is more explained, so that viewers know what to expect, because there's a lot going on my channel, a lot. So as I make my pivot to do something different, I still want to remember that people are here for other things, like my hair, like my beauty videos, and I don't want to forget that, and I want to incorporate that somehow while doing everything else, you know, while doing it all. So that is it. I realize that in most of my vlogs I don't really say bye because I don't know when I'm going to end them. I just work on stuff and then I'm like, all right, that's that. We're ending this vlog, and I just put a thanks for watching note. But I don't think I have anything else to show you guys today. I'm just going to work on some charms. So if you don't see this face for the rest of this video, thank you so much for watching. That is support enough for me. Just thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. You don't know. You don't know. I appreciate you watching, commenting, and if you like. If you want to subscribe, I'd appreciate it. I'll see you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Stay creative and enjoy the journey. Bye. I know I said bye, but not bye. I have literally been sitting here just making charms because I'm obsessed with making planet charms. That will be on the Etsy store hopefully soon. I'm waiting for specific shipment boxes to come in so I can ship these safely without them breaking. So that's why I haven't listed these yet, but they are so stinking cute. Like all the different themes for all my cat lovers out there, plant butterfly lovers, mermaid girly girls. Keisha's texting me. And then I have these new ones that I'm just creating right now. All these plant ones. This is what I'm doing, and I can't stop. And I have work to do. I have to clean the house. But I just want to finish up these plant ones, and then I'll take a break. It has been a lot of hours now. It is now 10:30 in the morning. Same Saturday, the 12th of December. And I've just been sitting here non-stop making. Before I tell you guys bye and upload this vlog for tomorrow, I just wanted to show you guys what I made, because once they go on the shop, I don't know how long they're going to last. So you guys are getting the first sneak peek. Actually, no, that's a lie. Instagram got the first sneak peek, because if you follow me on Instagram, Nardia K Creations, you'll get to see it all. But I won't go too much in detail, but these are the bobble ones, or the gumball machine ones. I don't know what I'm going to call them yet, but those are those. They each have cute little different designs, and then these are the plant themed ones with just like different things. Like, look at this one. Like I said, these are going to be listed on the shop. I'm hoping by Tuesday, because I have a lot of things to do this weekend. And then once they're listed, I don't know how long they're going to last, because when things are in demand, those things go in the shop quite often, you know, quite quickly. For the stickers though, when those sell out, I could just easily redo them and print more stickers. But these take a little bit longer to make. Oh, black and red, gorge. So I don't know when these will be back in the shop once they're gone. And as you can see, there is no duplication of it. Oh, the wine and the there are no duplications. It just is what it is, whatever I create, and that's that. So let me get on with life now. This is the official goodbye. Enjoy your week, you guys. I'll see you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next vlog. Bye.